What's up, my Shookies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have something new and very exciting I cannot wait to share with you. We are going to open up together my Fabfitfun box. I am so excited that I am able to show you guys this amazing box full of so many goodies. It has been staring at me, but I wanted to wait to go through everything until I was with you guys and we could do it together. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, before we get into it, I just wanted to let you know I will leave all the details in the description box down below, including my coupon code. I have partnered with Fabfitfun on this, but all of these opinions are completely my own. I cannot wait to go through this box. It has some amazing stuff. This is the members pick box, and like I said, I will leave all of the details down below so you can get one for yourself. Fabfitfun is, as everyone knows, a seasonal subscription where you get to try a little bit of everything. What I really love is that these are full-size fashion and beauty and skincare products that is valued over $200, but just $39.99. And of course, you get this price by using my coupon code KEI, which is my middle name. So again, I will leave all of that in the description box down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this box. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of dig in one by one with these products. The first thing I'm seeing, I am super excited about. This is called the Makeup Drop. It is a hybrid silicone pad and blending beauty sponge. It is this beautiful, like purpley blue color. I'm gonna see if I can open it up so you guys can see it with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the tip in the front of this is silicone, which I have actually never used a silicone sponge for my foundation. And then the back feels like a really nice luxe. It reminds me of like the Real Techniques beauty sponge. It feels super nice. I love that you have both options there. So I cannot wait to use this. I'd love to see what it feels like when it's wet. It says that it's a silicone sponge for sculpting and outlining, and then the sponge on the back is for a flawless airbrush finish. So this is really interesting. I cannot wait to try this out with my foundation. Really, really nice too, especially right now because I am not wearing anything crazy as far as coverage for foundation. So it would be really nice to try that to see kind of like how it shears out my foundation. I've been using the Pat McGrath foundation. I love that, and the Becca concealer that of course they're discontinuing now that I found a concealer that I love. So if anyone has any suggestions on concealers that I can use that are nice, hydrating, light to medium coverage concealers, please let me know in the comments down below. So moving on, we have this, which is from Skin and Company Roma. This is a Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Ooh, I love a good cleansing cream. Whip polishing cleansing cream with truffle extract. Who doesn't love truffles? Gentle yet effective cleanser, makeup remover that is highly concentrated with antioxidants and skin soothing botanical extracts to renew dry and dull skin. I'm gonna open it up just to see what it smells like. I always love to smell things. Does anyone else like that? Oh, it smells like almond extract. That smells delicious. I guess that makes sense because it says packed with black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. Love a good cleanser. I know it's kind of hard to see with the reflection in my lights, but this looks really good. And again, I love that they have full size. Like this is 3.3 ounces. This is a full size cleanser, you guys. So really excited to try that. I got two goodies I'm excited about. Next is from the brand, I believe it's Lavado, inspired by nature. It is a musk, coconut, and shea butter nourishing hand cream. Ooh, my mother loves a good hand cream. She always used that growing up. So I'm going to try some of this on the back of my hand just to see. The packaging on this is absolutely adorable too. Probably really hard to see with these lights, but it's like very sheer and got beautiful like coconuts in the background. This smells very clean, like a baby powder, clean, a hint of fruit, but more of a clean, fresh scent. So if you love clean, fresh smelling products, then this would definitely be nice for you. It's a little bit on the thicker side, so it's more of that like whipped butter texture, but very nice, and I feel like extremely nourishing. Ton of moisture there. I really like that. That would be nice to like keep in the car because all that hand sanitizer really dries your skin out, so having a nice hand cream would be wonderful. Let's move on to, oh my gosh, I am probably the most excited about this. I have, for whatever reason, never used this, and I am dying to try this. This is the No Problem Primer. I love that. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup by the brand Touch in Soul. And I love the packaging on this is so beautiful. It's like a frosted glass with the black and pink accents. I'm going to try some of this on the back of my hand. Okay, so super liquidy in texture. Oh, but it feels like velvety smooth. Is it bad that I'm going to mix this on top of my makeup? It feels like literal smooth velvet. I don't know if it's because I put it on top of the hand cream or because it's just that amazing. This will be really, really nice to try though, especially like I said, for those light makeup or almost no makeup days. Sometimes you just want a good primer to kind of seal in and lock in that moisture without being too oily. And I think this would be really, really nice. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. Moving on, this is from Bright Sellers. It's a $45 credit on your first box of personalized wine matches. Who doesn't love a good opportunity for some wine? Which is nice because that's another subscription if you want that delivered every month. Moving on, this is from Grace and Stella, Down for the Peel, a foot mask. My feet are so nasty. I don't know. I feel like I've been wearing nothing but sneakers though in quarantine, but they're more nasty than ever. Maybe because they don't breathe a lot. I don't know. But I'm super excited. Dr. Pedicure foot peeling mask. One pair, it says it's like a pair of booties, 4 pieces of tape. Soak feet in warm water for 10 minutes, dry off. Put the booties on and close with tape. For best results, put socks over the booties, wear for an hour, then wash with soap and water. Peeling will begin 5 to 7 days after application. What? Depending on your skin cell turnover. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Feet will feel dry. This is normal. Do not moisturize. Oh my gosh. Each pair of foot mask booties are one-time use. Allow 4 to 5 weeks between application. This is what I need because mine are nasty and they are cutting the sheets at night. Like, it's bad. So I am definitely down for the peel as it says on the front of this, but I'm kind of scared how much mine are going to peel. But seriously, I'm super excited about this. These are amazing. Moving on to Caravan. What a cute name. Design well traveled. I'm going to open up this bad boy. This is something black and white, which you know you can't go wrong. By the way, are you loving my new background? Your girl bought 2 mismatched chairs because apparently I'm colorblind. It's probably hard to tell on the screen, but sorry, I just kicked the camera. This one is a very nice neutral, like gray tone color. And then this one, as you can see, is more of a yellow color. Super yellow in these lights. So yeah, now I have to go back to Home Goods and search until my heart's content and try to find one of these that is not yellow. On another side note, I did find another Restoration Hardware Gilt mirror while I was at, but it's not Restoration Hardware brand. While I was at Home Goods, this is the second one that I found. So if you are still searching, all hope is not lost. Okay, so back to this box. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's like a little throw rug. OMG. This is perfect for my, we're just redoing our laundry room and I need a little carpet for in front of the washer dryer. This is so cute. It's by the brand Caravan. Oh my gosh. It is a 21 by 34 inch. It's like a woven carpet. This is seriously perfection. I cannot wait to put this in my laundry room, you guys. So nice, thick quality. I love the pattern. This is like, this is my favorite, that is my favorite, I feel like everything is my favorite. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. Amber Seats. Amber Seats. Super cute. I'm going to open this up right now. It looks like a little double layer necklace. Who doesn't love a good 2 chains? I do. And it's gold. And they're like little, they look like little pressed, you know, like those wax pressed seals. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so the Amber Seats necklace is made with quality and longevity as a focus. Okay, it does not say the details as far as what inch they are, but it just has the name. Okay, so the top, there is a toggle and they are connected. Okay, so they're not connected at the bottom, and then at the top where the chain would clasp, they are connected. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And it feels very substantial and heavy. And it is adjustable. So here is the longest, and then this is the shortest. I definitely want it on the shorter length. I think that looks super cute, and I'm terrible at trying to clasp the stuff. I don't even know if I clasped it correctly, but oh my gosh, how adorable is this? And I feel like they would look cute either way because the other side is almost like this little seashell print. Oh, so cute. And I love that they're attached because my other ones aren't, and then they always get like messed up. Oh, super cute with my earrings. Oh my gosh. This is getting better and better by the moment. Okay, so next is, which I just saw a commercial for this, and I really need to try this as much as I work and don't have time. This is for HelloFresh, and this is $80 off, including free shipping on your first box. Oh, wow. America's #1 meal kit. Save time, save money, saver. I love this. I have been seeing this, like I said, in commercials everywhere, and I would love to try it, especially if it's $80 off, including free shipping on your first box. So that's got to be at least 1 box for free. And then it comes with this adorable members pick box, how the box is curated, a little like catalog that's got a ton of good information inside. And then of course we saved the best for last. I love and talk about all the time a good pair of slippers. And these are super fab for fall. And they are from the brand PJ Salvage. Look how adorable these slippers are. They are fur on the inside. They are gray sweater material on the outside. They feel so soft. I love the color of the fur on the inside. These are adorable. I actually have my slippers on right now, but I'm going to take them off and try these. So this is what they look like up close. I love this kind of like gray and beige mixed together with this knit fabric on the top. They have a nice little bit of a rubber sole on the bottom, but not too hard to where they don't bend. I got mine in a size medium large. Yes, they fit perfect and they feel so soft with this fur on. PJ Salvage for the win. The size fits perfect. So these will be an amazing winter slipper because all of mine are open-toed, and I love that these have a closed toe on them. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe that all of this stuff is $39 without coupon code. That seriously is like astonishing. I feel like I would pay that just for this, which I think this is $30-something if I don't know, 20 or 30 something dollars. So seriously, all of this stuff for 39 bucks. Do not forget to use the code KEI to get your box for just $39. This is seriously amazing. I am so excited about this stuff. The great thing about this box too is I will have plenty of time to utilize these items, and then my idea is I'm going to use them and try them out and test them, do my due diligence, and then include my favorites in my monthly favorites videos. So this will be in my September favorites. So I'm super excited to try this stuff and report back to you on what are my favorites and what are the most amazing. I really, so far, I'm loving this necklace, and I could not wait to try that throat rug. So do not forget to use the code KEI, that's K, for $10 off to get your box for $39.99. I'm so excited about this box, you guys. Don't forget to leave me any comments down below if you've used this before, and again, some of those makeup tips for concealers for underneath my eyes. If you've, like I said, used anything like this pore primer, if you liked it, your thoughts, your feelings. I love to interact with you guys. All right, you guys, that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.